Hello everyone, welcome back to Dawny Days. Today we are going in Walgreens to see what type of budgeting and savings jewels for the beginner that they have available. So we're going to go down an aisle here, which is like their stationery aisle, aisle 11, and see what they have. The first thing I noticed when I got into this aisle was they had tons of notebooks, um, multiple subject notebooks, single subject notebooks, multiple notebooks, folders, file folders, two pocket folders, some typical school supplies, binders, notebooks, paper, file paper. Oh, that's pretty neat. Cute little notebook. Notebooks like this just take my attention all the time because I play with the little bedazzle and all the goodies with it. Let's see what else they had here. Some nice cute multi-subject or notebooks. You see had the grid lines. That ruled notebook here that is actually pretty cool. You can run multiple budgets at once. Maybe one for your personal, one for your home, one for your business. That's actually pretty cool. A lot of cool notebooks here. Oh, look, that's nice. Very nice. Let's see. Let's do this. Plenty of notebooks. I keep saying that I am a doodler. I love to write numbers down. I'm constantly writing numbers down, not just when I budget. Every day I'm always writing things down, making to-do lists, what things to get. And I think that the small pocket notebooks are excellent tools for the beginner budgeter, especially to carry it in the purse. Put it in your pocket. Keep one in your car so that you can stay on task no matter where you are. So the small little notebooks, they really do come in handy big time. Okay, we have some bigger notebooks here. Um, this actually looks like a nice laid out journal here. You can use for certain purposes. I know we're moving into we're in the technology age and we're going paperless in so many different areas, but the statistics as of 2021, 60% of people actually perform monthly budgets, yearly budgets. They actually perform their budgets with pen and paper. When you write things down, it's a lot easier to rehearse it because what you see is what you manifest. So it's really cool that you write things down versus trying to keep a mental note. I know that we're all very busy people, but sometimes if you really think about it, you can't remember what you had for lunch 3 days ago or what type of dressing you had on your salad just today. So it's very important that you write things down because, we have busy schedules. We're not invincible. We're not tanks. So it's very important to write things down. So bonus aisle, guys. I was in the store and I found this next aisle, and this aisle was tagged as seasonal. So they had other different types of notebooks, more notebooks, more classroom, so like a classroom setup, an office setup. It was a nice additional aisle for stationery, binders. Let's see. Oh my goodness. So many planners. So many planners. Very cool. Some that ran from June of this year to June of next year. Calendars. You see those calendars there? Very cool. Bullet journals. Very cool. see what else did they have here. So many more planners. I love planners because you can do so many things with them, but also with the notebook as well. But planners, most definitely. Do what you love. Do what you love. And what you love to do is get your life in order, get you a budget going, stick to it. If you fall off, get back on again. You love to have your life set in order. Let's see. Yeah, very, very, very cool aisle. Very nice bonus aisle.